What's the easiest way to save Task Manager's Processes tab as a CSV file? I want to get the information in the Task Manager's Processes tab into Excel. I want to do this because I am trying to make an image to deploy to a few workstation and need to see what I should include as running processes at startup, taking memory usage into account. So is there any way I can extract the data as a CSV or .xls file?
You can't do this using the Task Manager itself, but you can use the built-in task list command line program to do it. Open a command prompt, cmd.exe, and use the following commands. Type task list to output a list of all the currently running processes. To output as a CSV, type task list/focsv. To save the output of the command line to a file, add filename.csv to the end of the command. For example, task list/focsv is greater than %userprofile%desktop/tasks CSV. For full documentation on the various options for what to output, type task list/?mark into the command prompt.
One line in CMD. Replace to your username and run in CMD. For more documentation info, go here. This URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.